Aranyakanda, and the entrance to Kishkinda, and Rama in the forest. First, when Rama stepped into forest, a great Rakshasa called Kabandha, Viradha, sorry, and Viradha Rakshasa, and he killed Viradha Rakshasa and went to Agastya ashram, and there to he went so many rishis, and the rishis came to Rama and asked, please protect us. So many demons are coming and disturbing us, and they are hunting us. Please protect from Rakshasas. And Rama gave the abhayam to them, and I will protect you, don't worry about those Rakshasas. And immediately Shurpanakha came, and Lakshmana, Lakshmana caught the nose and ears, and she went, his brothers called Karadushanas, those are 14,000 Rakshasas. They are who are living in the Janasthan there in the forest, and they came to do yuddham with Rama. And Rama said, hey Lakshmana, just you and Sita go and sit, I will fight with them. And then Rama, within Ardha Muhurta, called Ardha Muhurta means within 24 minutes, less than 24 minutes actually, less than 24 minutes, Rama killed all 14,000 Rakshasas. And when Shurpanakha went to Ravana and told Ravana, Janasthanam is going from our hands, and Rama came, and he ruling the Janasthana, please come, and there is a beautiful lady called Sita, his wife, and she is so beautiful. I went Rama for asking Sita to give you, but he is not accepting. That's why I went there. And then Ravana want to come and do yuddha with Rama, and but Shurpanakha said, don't go for yuddha. He killed our 24,000 battalion in one person less than 24 minutes, and he have one brother there. He is also like his. If they both will fight, nobody can stand before them. That's why don't go for fight. Then Ravana went to Maricha, and Maricha, please go, please help me go with golden deer, Rupa. And Maricha said, hey, somebody is one second, sorry. Somebody is wrong leading you. What we call that? Misleading. Somebody is misleading you. Rama is a great person. When he is before marriage also, I know him when the Vishwamitra did Homa, and that time he is less than 16 years old boy, and he hunt me with the Agneya Astra. Nowadays also that pain is not went away. Don't go, that is a misleading. Rama is a great person. He don't do anything wrong to others. He is a nice person. If you go, that is your wish, but it's not a good thing. That time Maricha said, what the card sloka. सुलभा पुरुषा राजन सततं प्रियवादिनः अप्रियस्य दुपथ्यस्य वक्ता श्रोता च दुर्लभः. The shloka Maricha said, hey Raja, you are king, right? For your pleasing, everybody says whatever you happy with words. Only those words they say. Nobody says whatever for your good. Nobody, whatever words with you are happy, they said only those words. But what is good words, nobody says. Sulabha Purusharajan. Satatam Priyavadinaha. Priyavadinaha means happy words. That wrong thing or good thing, bad thing, that anything. But apriyasya tu pathyasya. Whatever route is safe for you, Vakta. Vakta means who are telling, he is Vakta. That type of person, for difficult to see. That type of persons, nobody will stand before king and, hey Raja, you are doing wrong thing. That type of persons is so difficult. If any person come and tell like that, the receiver also, it's more difficult.
Yeah.
They can't receive those words. But I am your friend. That's why I am telling. Because don't go to Rama. And Rama said, that's not possible. If you want to die with my hands or Rama hands, choose your option. Then obviously Maricha choose, why I have to die with your hand. You are a bad person and Rama is a good person. I will go and die with his hands. And he went with and see, Ravana came to Parnashala and stole what Apaharana, Sita Apaharana. He did Sita Apaharana, and Jatayu came. Jatayu want to fight with Ravana, and he is fighting very well. In that situation, Ravana is bad boy, right? That's why he caught his wings. If he didn't caught his wings, definitely before concluding Yuddha, Rama will come, I think. The Jeta wings are cut by Ravana and they went to Lanka, and Rama came back and searching for Sita, and Sita is not seeing anywhere, and that time the Kabandha is Rakshasa is there, and he caught Kabandha, he killed Kabandha, and Kabandha told there is a Shabari ashram, you can go to Shabari, and Rama went to Shabari ashram, and after Shabari told, you can go this way, this is a river Pampa, there will Sugriva is there, you can go and friendship with him, do friendship, he will help you. Now going Kishkindha Kanda. Pampa tire Hanumata Sangato Vanarenaha Hanumat Vachana Chaiva. Did you got this one? Hanumat Vachana Chaiva Sugrivena Samagataha Sugrivaya Sarvam Samsadramo Mahabalaha Aditastadyatha Vruttam Sitayascha Visheshataha Sugrivascha Vidat Sarvam Shrutvā Ramasya Vānaraha Chakara Sakhyam Ramena Rītaśaiva Sakshikam Tato